Hey guys, D Penguin here, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my computer setup, rig, everything. Yeah, I decided to open it up because I was cleaning it out for dust. So first we have a half 922 case, really nice case. Asus burner, nothing special, just a regular burner. We have a Corsair sticker, AMD sticker, and an Asus sticker. Next we have the regular outputs, USB 2.0, and we have power on and off button, reset, and power LED button. Then we have a 200mm red LED fan. You can turn on the LED with this button and turn it off with the button. Next we have a Western Digital 1TB Caviar Black 7200 RPM hard drive. Yes. Also next we have a Cooler Master Hyper 212 CPU cooler. This thing is to cool down my AMD X61055T 2.8 GHz stock processor. Next we have Kingston Hyperx 4GB RAM, 1333 MHz. Love the RAM. Next XFX Radeon HD6850. I love this video card. 1GB GDDR5 RAM. I mean not RAM, 1GB. Next to power this thing on, we have Corsair TX650w power supply, and we have a 200mm fan. I bought optional blue LED. You can't turn it on and off, but you know I wanted more air cooling. Now we have another 200mm fan. This came with a case. 120mm fan came with a case too. And yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, I forgot one thing. My motherboard is an Asus Crosshair Formula IV Republic of Gamers motherboard. Oh, really high quality motherboard. I love this motherboard. Really awesome. Yeah, that's pretty much guys. This is my gaming rig. The cable management is not that best right now because you know I haven't had time to clean it all up, but it's pretty decent for not much wires. You can't really see much, but yeah, this is D Penguin, guys. Thank you for watching. D Penguin signing out.